I'm spending so much time and money on my hair and my ends constantly feel dry and damaged. It's probably because what's causing the damage isn't so easy to identify. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Faith, Prose's Director of Education and your guide to healthy hair. In this final episode of our hair health series, we're going to discuss these 3 types of hair damage. Heat damage is caused when high temperatures break down or permanently alter the structural arrangement of the inner proteins in the hair fiber. To avoid damage from heat, you can start by choosing styling tools that come with a temperature dial to control the amount of heat that comes in contact with your hair. Color and chemical damage is caused when products that are intended to alter the natural shape or color of hair are applied too frequently or improperly. So to avoid this, be sure that hair is mostly healthy prior to chemical services and always seek a professional who specializes in your hair texture. Physical damage is caused when hair's outer cuticle layer has been ripped or torn by friction from another object. Over time, these areas can break and split, causing hair to appear thinner, tangle easier, and become less shiny. Well, I didn't realize all of the ways I may have been contributing to my thin ends. It's okay, it just comes down to treating our hair better. If having healthy hair is your main goal, it's important to remember that it's easier to prevent damage than it is to treat it once it shows up. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and save this video for future reference and visit prose.com/blog to learn more about hair damage.